The 82nd Air Assault Brigade ambushed a group of Russian servicemen from the 155th Pacific Fleet Marine Brigade in Kursk. Not a single Russian Marine reportedly survived. The Russian Marine Brigade is supposed to be an elite fighting force, brought here to defeat the Ukrainians in Kursk, but they ended up like this. Perhaps this is poetic justice, as this brigade was boasting about killing Ukrainian prisoners on camera. And more pain for Russian invaders. A Russian convoy, consisting of a tank, VPK Ural armored vehicle, and BTR-80, was ambushed and destroyed by Ukrainian tank fire on the Koronevo-Novoivanovka road in the Kursk region near Kremyanoe. Additional footage from the Road of Death between Sudzha and Korenovo. Russian forces arrived in an armored vehicle to retrieve a stuck BTR, but Ukrainian FPV operators hit them with a drone. First, the armored vehicle caught fire, then the blaze spread to the BTR, leading to an explosion. Everything burned down. A Russian combat vehicle circling on the battlefield due to the crew's passing before it was destroyed by a drone. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky warned of Russia's increasing alliance with North Korea, stressing it had moved beyond the supply of just weaponry and was now actually about transferring people from North Korea to the occupying military forces. Zelensky's statement came days after reports that several North Korean officers had been killed in a Ukrainian missile strike in occupied Ukraine, raising speculation about just how involved Pyongyang currently is in Russia's full-scale invasion. "We see an increasing alliance between Russia and regimes like North Korea," said Zelensky, who has previously pointed to Russia's deepening role within an axis of rogue regimes, including Iran, who are allied against Ukraine and its Western allies. "This is no longer just about transferring weapons. It is actually about transferring people from North Korea to the occupying military forces." Very little aside from the stated intentions from Moscow and Pyongyang. Russian President Vladimir Putin and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un signed a strategic defense agreement between Moscow and Pyongyang. As part of the alliance, the North Korean military announced that an engineer unit would join Russian forces on the ground in Donetsk Oblast the following month. No picture or video evidence has emerged to date that this went ahead, and it is not known if the 6 North Korean officers reportedly killed were part of this unit. Russian mill bloggers reported that North Korean military personnel were visiting the front lines as part of an exchange of experience program, and were being shown how Moscow's forces prepared defensive positions and assault operation techniques. In a press briefing, Pentagon spokesperson Pat Ryder said North Korean troops would become cannon fodder if they joined Russian forces on the battlefield in Ukraine. The reports of 6 North Korean officers killed in Ukraine have not been confirmed beyond a single intelligence source, though South Korean Defense Minister Kim Yong-hyun said earlier this month it was likely true. The Guardian reported, citing an unnamed source in Ukraine, that there are dozens of North Koreans behind Russian lines to assist with the launching of Pyongyang-supplied Keen-23 ballistic missiles. Lim Yul-chul, a professor at the Institute for Far Eastern Studies in Seoul, told AFP the deployment of North Korean soldiers in Ukraine could be viewed from Pyongyang as an opportunity for its military to learn how to handle different weapons and gain real-world combat experience. This might even be a driving factor behind sending North Korean soldiers to provide them with diverse experiences and wartime training. First to Kiev, and then immediately to Berlin. Russian propagandist from Channel 1 Olesya Loseva, sitting on a tank with a Soviet flag, off to attack Kiev and Berlin. Russian propaganda in a nutshell. And so many Russians do believe this shit.
Как говорится, друзья, сперва на Киев, а потом сразу на Берлин.
While Russian officials and Putin discuss boosting the country's birth rate, one 18-year-old signed a military contract in mid-August, eager to fight Ukrainians and gain status as the top guy in his district. Just a month later, he found himself in Kursk, where his commander sent him into a meat assault. He regretted his decision, but it was too late, and by September 14th, he was dead.
Контракт с Министерством обороны заключен. Сейчас военкомат военник получать. И все, и в банкат, короче, под Москвой ебать.
Ребят, как вы, нахуй, ждите меня, сучары ебаный. Так вас ненавижу, бля, каждому буду горло резать, нахуй. Мне дали план, блядь. Идти в хохлам, блядь, голову отрежу на видео, нахуй. Будут старшим в районе, я это сделаю, мне похуй, я ёбнутый.
Ты чё, ебать, какой тут отбой, нахуй? С мужиками за столом сидим, блядь. Салам тебе передали, нахуй. Комбат, пидорас. Так не хочется ехать. Ну надо. Как раньше всех ждал, чтобы остановиться. Может, последним днем. Скорее всего, так будет.
Значит, что делают люди, когда им осталось жить 1 час 11 минут? Я вот слушал искорки, давай сбежим и будем драться. За одну девочку бежим власть. Одну у меня поехала, и я говорю, это открыто. Очень весело.
Ну, бля, я пидором был по жизни, блядь. Решил сходить на СВшку, думал, изменюсь. Изменения произошли. Так вот, умирать сейчас не хочется. А выхода нет. Все, братва, все, кто есть, блядь, вынужден, наверное, с вами попрощаться. Вот. Да думаю, все будет хорошо. Нихуя хорошего не будет. Ладно. Через 3 дня, если что, на Советском кладбище встреча.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.